Oh, hey guys. Welcome back to Vital Views. Let's go get started.
And we start our journey.
Vital Views. Don't get confused. Vital Views. So, why meditation? Well, meditation is said to be the interface for the subconscious and the conscious mind. When we meditate, we begin to raise our capacity. We're able to take in more information, and with that information, we're more capable to be successful in our lives, to ward off stress and respond correctly to external stimuli. We want wide open brains that operate synchronistically with all of our being. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Sit up tall, take a big inhale, roll your shoulders back, straight spine, straight head and neck. Begin to focus. Relax your mind. Relax your body. Relieve any tension you might feel. Focus in deep on your breath. Big, long inhales. Slow, smooth exhales. Breathe. Relax. The objective isn't to completely clear your mind or to stop yourself from thinking, but just to allow yourself to have thoughts come and have them go with little to no attachment to anything you might receive. Just relax, find your center within yourself, and be present. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you took something away with this practice, and we hope to see you again next time. Smash that like button. Stay tuned. Vital Views.